What's up, guys? I just came out of Westfield and it is super sunny and super busy in there. I had to get a few things, and as you can see, like, I can't even adjust it to get the brightness right. Like, this is like really bright out here. I can barely see anything. But yeah, had to get something, a few things that I needed to pick up, and I'm actually on the way to pick up a box so that I can ship my PC away in. And yeah, I'm giving away my PC. Well, not giving away, I'm selling my PC because I don't feel like I need it. There's a few things I'll tell you about, and you know, I discussed a few of these things in my Mac review. So I'm switching to using the Mac full time. Oh my god, it's really bright. And yeah, well, anyway, I'm gonna go grab the PC, well, the PC box rather, to put the PC in, because I threw my one away, so I need something to ship it in. So I'm gonna go to my parents to see if I can find something there. They usually have something. Okay, I'm more in the shade now. It's still a bit bright behind me, but oh my god, I'm hot. Took some nice photos though. It's a very photographic day. Photographic? Yeah, that's how you say it, right? Yeah, it's a very photographic day. Like, it's super nice outside. Like, look at this. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. Wow. You can't see the sky because it's all white. I was gonna show you, but yeah, it's way too bright. Oh my god, look. Back in to the bright sky, and I can't see anything. So I'm gonna pick this up once I've picked up the cardboard box, and I'll see you guys then. Okay, so I've got the box here, and I'm actually just walking home now because I spent some time at my mum's. But yeah, got the box, perfect. It's got everything I need inside of it as well to make sure that I securely package the PC off. And yeah, let's go back to the main studio room, and I can tell you all about why I'm selling it. Okay, what's up, guys? So it's actually very late here today. It's almost 1:40 a.m. in the morning, and I'm still doing stuff. But I've literally had no time after the last part of my vlog that you saw. Yeah, I've had no time. I've been really busy throughout the day, so I didn't get a chance to do anything else. So here I am, and here we are. Like, yeah. So I'm getting rid of my gaming PC. Also, I really need to work on my vlog, don't I? Like, I really need to work on vlogging and how to vlog. I guess I'm still in that learning phase where this is kind of still new to me. Like, I'm not really used to vlogging and stuff like that. So I guess it's a work in progress. Let's call it a work in progress, right? Yeah, so I'm selling my gaming PC, and it's with a very heavy-hearted decision that I've had to do this. And not because I have to, actually, I've not had to do it. I've done it with a very heavy heart. And the main reason being is because I don't utilize my PC for what it's made for. Like, just that's it. Like, after getting the Mac Mini, like the M1 Mac Mini, which review is up here somewhere. Like, I'll put the link up here. Like, the review of the Mac M1 Mac Mini. Damn it, the Mac Mini with the M1 chip, whatever you want to call it. I said that I was doing a lot of my editing and stuff on that, right? Like, so a lot of my content creation work is being done on the Mac Mini, and the PC was left for kind of just streaming with and my kind of day-to-day stuff, like watching anime on and whatnot. And all of that stuff is something that the Mac Mini can handle very easily. Like, the amount of streaming I do is minimum. Like, if I was streaming, say, every day or several times a week, and I needed something that was able to game and stream at the same time, then yeah, it would make sense to keep that around, keep the PC around, I mean. But I don't do that. I don't game on it, and I don't stream on it very often. I stream once a week. Yeah, every Monday, guys, by the way. Head over to Twitch and follow me. And I do stream every single Monday from about 5 p.m. British Summer Time, which is the UK time, which is about 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So head over, catch me on stream. I stream every Monday, and I stream for a couple of hours, and I spend a lot of it doing just chatting. So I don't really need a gaming PC or a streaming PC that can handle gaming at the same time when I'm not really utilizing it for what it's worth. Yeah, is it cool? Does it look nice? in the backdrop of my stream, yes. Does it need to be there? No. No. And it all comes down to that minimal streaming, guys. Like, if you are a brand new streamer, if you're a brand new content creator, make do with what you've got. Like, seriously. Like, I wouldn't say I made a mistake, because it was something that came in really handy before I discovered that the M1 Mac Mini existed and that there were alternatives. And yeah, it was fantastic. I love it. I love my PC. However, recently it's just been kind of collecting dust because I've been doing so much work on the Mac Mini that I've kind of neglected the PC. So rather than have it lie around, and I thought, you know what, somebody who needs it can make use of it for what it's built for. So yeah, it's gonna be going, and that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna basically just package that old boy up, like you can probably see it just there, package it up, and we're gonna get it ready for shipping in the morning. Hopefully they come and collect it. So yeah, let's do that. So I don't know whether you guys can see, but I've hit a bit of a pickle where I can't close the lid, but I'll get there, right? I'll get there somehow. Okay, I think I'm done. Wow, that took a while and I'm super tired. But here it is, it's all ready. Nice and boxed up. Ready to go. Hopefully this holds and it's secure enough while it's being transported. I do have the delivery insured because, you know, why wouldn't you do that? It's a really stupid thing to not insure your deliveries. Guys, if you're sending stuff, make sure you get it insured because the extra little bit of money is worth it in case something goes wrong. So yeah, so this is now easy to hold and ready to go. I'm going to take a few pictures of it because yeah, it's always good to take pictures of packages before you send them off as well. So I'm going to do that and then we'll finish off there. Alright, and that's it, guys. I'm super tired, so I'm probably going to go and get some sleep now. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and it wasn't very interesting, but you know, I'm sending off my PC that I hand built and it's upsetting, and I'm really touched by it, and I hope you guys feel the same because you know I put a lot into building this thing, and it is upsetting to see it go. However, onwards and upwards. See, this is how sleepy I am. Onwards and upwards, as they say. You know, I'm trying to limit down to using only what I feel like I need. I mean, my cameras aside, because I love my cameras, but everything else I'm trying to kind of cut down to just what I need, and I am getting rid of a lot of things. It's not a purge, it's more just kind of limiting myself to what I need, essentially. And that's what everybody should be doing. Like, use only what you need. If you've got the kind of funds to go above and beyond, then absolutely, by all means, do what you want. But if you're the type who's, you're doing this as a hobby, or you don't know where it's leading you, or you're still trying to make money out of this, then absolutely limit yourself to just what you need. Content creation with the bare minimums is possible. You don't need fancy equipment to do it all with. Having it is nice. Like I said, I have a whole video on this. Having fancy equipment and stuff is nice, but if you don't need it, then don't get it. And if you have it and you feel like you don't need it, then get rid of it. Maybe use that fund to something else. I don't know, I might use the funds from this to buy myself a new lens or something like that I could actually make use of. Because there's loads of equipment that I might want to get, or put it back towards something else for my creation. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Anyway, I'm blabbing way too much. I'm gonna call it a day here, guys, or a night, because it's way past 2 o'clock now. I'm super tired. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, then make sure you hit that like button. If you enjoy my content in general, then hit that subscribe button. And if you want to know when all my new videos are coming out, then definitely hit that notification bell. This is a very sleepy Kai 24 at exactly 2:14 a.m. in the morning. Signing off. Oh wow, this is actually quite heavy. I was lying before. This is, maybe I'm just weak because I'm tired. Oh, leave this here for now. I'm shattered. I should go to bed. Do you know what? I don't want to walk that far. Bedroom's quite far. I'm just gonna lie down here. Yeah, it's nice and comfy. I'm just gonna fall asleep here. Good night, guys. Good night. Bye bye.